Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. Here I will present about the question words, but at first let me introduce myself. My name is Anggira Viani. I'm from Management Major. My student ID is 64240649. So what is a question word anyway? So the question words are used to ask for specific information. And what was the purpose? The purpose is they help us understand more about people, places, time, reason, or methods. And here's is type of question word. So here are some question words. There are what, when, why, where, who, which, and how. Okay, at first there are what. What used to ask about things or information. For examples, what are we? Or what am I supposed to do when the best part of me was always you? What is used when asking for general description or details. And the second there is where. Where is used to ask about place or location. For the examples, where do you live? Or where is the bedroom? Where is used to ask for a specific date, schedule, or time. And the third, there is why. Why is used to ask about reason or purpose. For example, why do you love me? And why are you staring at me with doubt? Why often results in an answer that starts with because. And there is who. Who is used to ask about person or people. For the examples, who is Taylor Swift? Who won the match? Who is used to help identify someone. And there is which used to ask about choices or options. For the examples, which color do you prefer? Or which one is yours? Which is used when there are limited options. And when is used to ask about time. For example, when did you come? When is your birthday? When is used for a specific date, schedule, or time. And how is used to ask about manner or condition. For the examples, how to make this cake? How deep is your love? How is used to ask about manner, method, process, or condition of something. And we can combine how with other words like how much, how many, how often, how long, and how far. How much refers to quantity or price, an uncountable noun. For the examples, how much sugar do you want in your coffee? How many refers to quantity, countable nouns. For the examples, how many days in January? And how often refers to frequency. For the examples, how often do you go to the gym? How long refers to duration. For examples, how long is the flight from Jakarta to Bali? And for the last is how far. How far refers to distance. For the examples, how far can you walk in an hour? And this is an auxiliary verb, a verb that comes before the main verb in a sentence. Example of auxiliary verb is are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, will, shall, can, might. And how to form WH questions? The formula is WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For the examples, why do you like it? Why, it means WH word. And do, it means auxiliary verb. And you, it means subject. And like, it means main verb. So that's the explanation of the question words. Thank you.